Hello humans, it's time. You and I have a little talk. This is me, Black Monkey. And this is my business. Part of this licensing stuff, part my own collection. I started with thermoactive shells for sports and saving the world. Normal stuff, you know. And this is how my collection looks like. I have stuff for girls and stuff for boys. Okay, to the point. These are my people, my jungle. They are fun, they like to party, and they like sports. Those are countries I want to be present at, where I want to sell my stuff. This is competition. I don't like them much. Okay, this is what I need in order to succeed. And if you help me, you will be rewarded. So, if you want Monkey Life, send me invitation to this Google program. If not,
She will eat bananas for the rest of her life.